New tonight, a Phoenix pastor and his church have been indicted on felony charges in what state prosecutors allege is one of the largest fraud cases to date in the sober living home scandal. 12 News journalist Bram Resnick has details on the alleged $60 million fraud scheme and what the pastor's lawyer is saying. Bram?
Yeah, Tram, and all 20 people were indicted. They're tied to the alleged scheme involving billing for mental health and substance abuse treatment for clients who are either dead or in jail. The 26-page indictment alleges that Happy House Behavioral Health was paid over $60 million by the Arizona healthcare cost containment system, known as AHCCCS, by billing for clients who were, quote, deceased, incarcerated, or hospitalized. Money laundering charges allege that Happy House paid $5 million in July 2023 to Hope of Life International Church in Northwest Phoenix. The church, a haven for East African migrants, later wired $2 million to an entity in Rwanda. Now, Happy House's offices are in a lease building on the church grounds. The lawyer for the church pastor says he knew nothing about the alleged fraud.
Just because he rented his property out, he's now being indicted on 4 different counts of fraud and abuse when he actually had nothing to do with this case. So what the Attorney General's office is trying to do is they're trying to deflect blame from their own incompetence of allowing this fraud to take place in over less than a year.
The indictment alleges the sober living fraud began in August of 2022. Democratic Attorney General Chris Mays took office several months later in January 2023, then initiated a crackdown on what had become widespread fraud. The main victims, Indigenous men and women who never got the treatment that the state paid for. Now, according to the Attorney General's office, the sober living home scandal has cost the state an estimated $2 billion. Since the crackdown started 2 years ago, about $150 million in cash and assets have been clawed back. Live in the newsroom, Bram Resnick, 12 News.
A lot of money involved in that case, Bram. Thank you. In just hours,